హాయ్ ఆల్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు స్నేహ కృష్ణ బ్లాగ్స్. ఈరోజు మనం ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం. కొన్ని బిట్స్ ఆర్టికల్స్ ఇవి ప్రీవియస్ టెట్ అండ్ డిఎస్సిలో వచ్చిన కొన్ని బిట్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, ద టీచర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ డాష్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ టు ద స్టూడెంట్స్. ఆప్షన్ 2. సెకండ్ వన్, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ acquainted dash this evening with this evening. Third one, he is capable of doing hard work. Option 3, of. Fourth one, I am proud dash my country about of it for of. I am proud of my country. Fifth one, the accident sadly resulted dash the death of man. Resulted in the death of man. Option 2. Sixth one, they may feel jealous dash your success. Option 2. Answer is of. They may feel jealous of your success. Seventh one, I am not responsible dash this issue. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఫర్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఇష్యూ. అండ్ వన్ మోర్, కొన్ని ఎక్సర్సైజ్ బిట్స్ కూడా చూద్దాం. చూస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ప్రిపరేషన్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ డాష్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్. ఆప్షన్ 4, ఆన్. సెకండ్ వన్, స్ప్రింకిల్ ద డిష్ డాష్ సాల్ట్. ఆప్షన్ 1, విత్. స్ప్రింకిల్ ద డిష్ విత్ సాల్ట్. Third one, she was unable to attend the party dash her marriage engagement. Okay, option వచ్చేసి 2, due to her marriage engagement. Fourth one, he asked for you dash name by name. Option 3. Fifth one, the thief was put dash bars. The thief was put dash bar behind. Option 4. Sixth one, you can relay dash me to keep your secret on. Seventh one can tell a lot a person dash their handwriting from their handwriting. Eighth one, tears ran down his face on hearing the news. Ninth one, there was a lamp hanging dash the table. Option 1, over. 10th one, I have a few doubts dash this dash the first lesson regarding. Option 4, regarding the first lesson. Next exercise bits. First one, you should complete your B.Ed dash your BSc to get a teacher job in addition to. Option 2. Second one, he is very fond dash drinking green tea. Option 4, of. He is very fond of drinking green tea. Third one, they decided dash buying a new house against. Option 1, they decided against buying a new house. Fourth one, she is not satisfied dash the result. Option 3, with the results. Fifth one, do you believe dash God? Yes, do you believe in God? Option 1. Sixth one, please send dash the doctor immediately. Please send for the doctor immediately. Seventh one, who is responsible dash this damage. Who is responsible for this damage. Eighth one, what is your attitude dash child labor. What is your attitude. Option 4, towards child labor. Ninth one, my house stands dash all the other houses in the street as it is big in size. Apart from. 10th one, The bird flew dash the cage. Option 2, out of the cage. Again, exercise 3-bit. First one, they had a meeting with the principal today. Dash the new policy on students run organizations. Option 3, concerning the new policy. Second one, he is good at delaying dash pressure. Option 2, with pressure. Third one, they fought dash freedom. Option 1, for. They fought for freedom. Fourth one, they fought dash corruption. They fought, option 4, against corruption. Fifth one, the train plies twice dash Tirupati and Kadapa. The train, that is not plies, flies twice between Tirupati and Kadapa. Sixth one, he insisted dash helping me with the project. He insisted on helping me with the project. Seventh one, what are you talking? What are you talking dash? Option 4, about. What are you talking about? Eighth one, it is very kind dash you. It is very kind of you. Option 1. Answer is. Ninth one, how many people are there dash your team? Option 2, on. How many people are there on your team? Sorry, maybe the answer is in. The option they has given is wrong. Option is how many people are there in your team is correct. 10th one, my uncle is very good dash telling jokes. My uncle is very good, option 3, at telling jokes. Exercise 4. First one, my friend always borrows money dash others from others. Second one, please write your address dash ink in ink. Third one, you can get to the place only dash foot on foot. Fourth one, whenever he speaks he reminds me dash his father. First one, of his father. Fifth one, the old man died dash cancer. Option 4, of. The old man died of cancer. Sixth one, the girl was married dash the age of 15. Option 2, at. The girl was married at the age of 15. Seventh one, the princess was turned dash a cat. Option 3, into. The princess was turned into a cat. Eighth one, I saw her only once dash my stay in Chennai. First one, during. I saw her only once during my stay in Chennai. Ninth one, my father has to go to office early dash Mondays. Option 3, on. My father has to go to office early on Mondays. 10th one, the accident resulted dash the death of 3 men. Option 4, in. The accident resulted in the death of 3 men. నా వీడియో కనుక నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ షేర్ కూడా చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్.